I declare bankruptcy!
I just wanted you to know that you can't just say the word bankruptcy and expect anything to happen.
I didn't say it, I declared it.
Still, it's not anything.
This is what we think about with confession. We think that we just walk in our living room and say, I sinned. All right, I confessed. Let's move on. Confession is not just acknowledging sin and then pacifying it. I see this way too often with Christians. We acknowledge sin, we do that part well, but then we sweep it under the rug and say, yeah, but that's not that bad. Don't feel bad about that. No, feel bad about your sin. You have to confess, meaning you have to say the same thing that God says about your sin. You have to look at it and say, this is evil, this is wicked, this has made me an enemy with God. This has distanced me from the Father, but Christ and his cross has brought me near. And then he says to do it in the context of a community. And this is why you need brothers and sisters to come around you and say, yes, that is evil, that's wicked, and I'm going to help you get over this. I'm going to call you higher. And James says that in this context, in this community, there is healing.